Can you hear me? Oh yeah. Oh na na. Oh na na. Hey. Oh na na. Hey. I love it. Oh I do. I can see the promised land. Oh I do. Can you see the promised land? Oh I can see the promised land. Oh can you see the promised victory ahead? All I should be, I see the victory ahead now. Things that you have for me, the plans what you have for me, all the blessings you have for me, give you victory. So when the trumpet blows, Father, you went to the sky. Oh yeah, Lord, and everything, hallelujah, Lord, and everything, I can see the promised land. I can see the promised land, and it's enough, yeah. My Jesus is coming. My Jesus is coming back home. Step up, get ready with it. Wake up, be ready with it. Get your heart in order. Time is getting short. Whoa, will you be caught up in the air to meet the Lord in the sky? So when the trumpet blows, Father, take me to the sky. Oh yeah, Lord, I'm ready for you. Hallelujah, Lord, I'm ready for you. I can see the promised land. I can see the promised land. My Jesus is coming. My Jesus is coming back for you. When your eyes are focused on you, only you can show me the way. Oh yeah, my eyes are focused on you. Follow you, can lead the way. I can see the promise.